Today's product comes from the land down under, where women glow and men thunder. But will it shave? We'll find out next on A Texan Shaves.
A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves. Another episode of Will It Shave? You've seen in the thumbnail, and where I've posted it all over today. Today, we're shaving with Vegemite. This shout out goes to Lane Sharp, Philip Sharp's son, for suggesting this. I thought it was a fantastic idea. Couldn't believe I didn't think of it myself. So thank you, Lane. Or Lane, I hate you. No, I'm kidding. We'll see. We'll see after the shave. Just kidding. That is not it at all. So as you can see, I have cracked the seal just to smell it, but you can see that has not been used at all. So I have never experienced Vegemite in my life. It is a yeast extract, and from what I understand, traditionally it is eaten on a piece of buttered toast, which I happen to have right here. So I'm going to go ahead and try to experience it the normal way. I'm going to take a little bit out. This stuff is very thick, so it just needs a little bit. You just supposedly spin a very thin amount on the toast. So there we go. I'm going to leave that up here. And we shall try to get this spread on the toast as thin as possible. Supposedly this stuff's really salty too, I believe. I'm not sure. It has an interesting smell. It doesn't smell bad. It's just not something that I would reach for just by the smell. So I think that is a nice thin layer there. So there we go. So I'm going to try Vegemite for the first time. Let's see what this is all about. All right, I'm going to get this end right here. It is very salty. Very salty. That on top of the butter. Yeah, not a fan. Not a fan. Oh man, I should have brought something to drink. That is bad. Okay. But we're here to see if it'll shave, right? I don't know what I'm going to do. That's so thick. That is a lot thicker than I realized. I guess we'll see. I'll just wet my face very well and we'll see what happens, guys. I don't plan these things. I just think of the product and then I come in here and start recording. So we'll see what happens. Hold on. All right. Need some mouthwash. I gotta get that out of my mouth. Sorry, guys. Yeah, that was not pleasant at all. All right, I have about 2 days growth. I haven't had a chance to shave, unfortunately, so I've got quite a bit. We're of course going to be using my trusty Gillette Sterling 7 o'clock $6 razor. I have it loaded with a First Use Shark Chrome Super Stainless, I think is what it's called. So I'm just going to go in here with my finger. Oh, that's thick. I'm going to pull some out. So, yeah. Wow. That's like tar, man. This is probably not a good idea. Wow, yeah. Yeah, I think I've had better. Oh, the smell. I am just waiting for the comments of what this looks like I'm doing to my face. The water seems to be helping. Whew. Oh. All right. That smell. I think I need more. I don't think I have enough. So I'm going in for a second round here. I'm gonna need a shower after this, jeez. Alright, so I got it on my hands. That is awful. Oh. I don't know if I'm gonna make it through this one, guys. I really don't. I doubt this is lifting anything. In fact, it is probably just sticking it to my face. I'm wondering if I can even wash this off. Well, it does look like it breaks down pretty easy with water. So I think I probably should have grabbed a throwaway brush to help work this into something with water, because it does break down. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the lid on this because I'm not getting any more of that. Man, the smell! Oh, I'm going to put some water. As you can tell, I wore a really old t-shirt. I've had this t-shirt for a good 15 years just because I didn't know what it was going to be like. And we're going to work that water in a little bit. Alright. I would rather shave with mayonnaise than this. I would rather shave with the nacho cheese and sriracha than this, even though both those smelled horrible. But this is, oh, I'm just wanting to hurry up and get this over with. We are only doing one pass, guys. I'm sorry. I can tell you that right now. So here we go. This is Vegemite. Will it shave? It actually except for right there, but I didn't work it in too much. It actually has some glide. There is zero protection. Oh, now it's dripping everywhere like tar. Yeah. I'm gonna have some major cleanup in here. Oh, this was a horrible idea. This was a horrible, horrible idea. Guys, do not try this at home. As I've said many times, this shave is performed by an idiot. I don't know what I was thinking on this one. I'm gonna have to hang over my sink, guys, sorry. Oh, this is awful. And I'm getting it everywhere, jeez. Why does it look like it's dyeing my beard? All right. Hold on. Sorry, I thought I was about to lose it for a second. Sorry, guys, this is rough. I'm gonna get a rinse, and I'll be right back for my final thoughts. Be right back. That was absolutely the worst thing I have ever shaved with, put on my face. I don't even know if I'm going to post this video. It's so bad. This one isn't even funny to me. And that's what a lot of these are for, just to have some fun and be silly. I am panicking kind of right now. Yeah, I think I found my limit of grossness. And it begins with Vegemite. I am so taking a shower after this. Whew. All right. Short one. Vegemite. Maybe okay for a lot of people on toast or however else you like to eat it. Will it shave? Actually, yes, it will shave. I'll give it that. But you absolutely do not want to. Don't even try it. Don't even think about it. If you even have a half a thought of doing it, crack open a can and smell it, and you'll understand what I'm talking about. At first, I didn't think it smelled that bad, but once I smeared it all over my face, sorry, my eyes are watering. Not because of any menthol or anything, because I'm fighting back. Well, you know. Find your peace in where you can. We'll see you next time on the Texan Shaves without Vegemite. Goodbye.